So the first thing we want to do is to go into elements, right, and look for an element that we're going to work with. Okay, so I'll be working with shapes for this tutorial, and this is the particular shape I'll be using. Right, that is the name of the shape, white oblong shape. So I'll add it onto my design or to my page, right? And then I want to grab this and rotate it slightly to the left like that. Then I'll move it just near to the top right corner of our page, right? And then I want to duplicate, create a copy of this, then move the second copy and stretch it slightly so that it's a bit longer. Sorry, I need to stretch, not move it, so that it's a bit longer than the first one. Right, that looks fine. I can then do another duplicate. Right, and then stretch it again, my bad, and then stretch it again so that it's a bit longer than the other one. Right, I'll do a duplicate of this, right, and bring it there, then a duplicate of this, and then I'll bring it to the bottom of the page. Okay, let's extend this just slightly, each one of them just a slight extension so that they are a bit taller. Right, just yeah, this one is fine, maybe just at the bottom and a bit at the top, and then this one also. Okay, that looks fine. And then I want to change the color of this component, so I click on that and then go to the color palette, and then I'll choose black. Then I'll right click on this, copy style, and paste it there. Right click again, copy style, and paste it there. So I'll do that until all of our shapes are black. Right, copy, paste. Okay, so that looks fine. Now I want to download this as an image, so I'm going to share, right, download. Then I want to change the parameters and use JPEG. Okay, then I'll click on download. Okay, so once it's downloaded, we want to upload it into Canva. So we come into uploads, right, click on uploads, and then we search for our image that we created. So the name will be the same as the project name there. So we're looking for an image called clipping mask. Alright, so I'll scroll there, found it, then I'll click on open, and then it gets downloaded into Canva. Once that is ready, what I will do right now is just clear our page, right? So I'll just create a new page, in fact an empty page, right? Then I want to navigate to elements, and what I want to do here, right, I'm searching for a smiling face. That's the element I want to use, and a photograph of a smiling face. So of course you can use your own images that you upload into Canva, or you can use the ones that are already there in elements. So I'll search for smiling face, then filter for an image of a type photo, and then since my image that I created is a square, I also want to filter for a square image here. So I'll click on that, and then we filter. Okay, then here we look for an image that we would like to use. Let me choose one at random. Okay, we can just use this one. Alright, so go with that image. Let's close this, and then we want to add our image also onto the page. Alright, so now we have both of the images on the page. Okay, so once the images are on the page, we want to go into apps on the panel there. So we'll click on apps, right, and then expand that, and then we want to search for an image, we want to search for an application for blending images. So we'll type blend image, click enter. The first one that appears there is the one that we want to work with, so we'll select that, and then we'll go back to our images and select an image. So we use this first image as the top layer, so we select it and then click on use selected image. Then we select our element image and then we use it for the other layer. Right, and then under plane mode, we'll expand the menu, and then where we want to go is want to select this option called screen. So use screen there, and then that's the preview of the image. We can add it onto the design. Right, let's clear everything else so that we can see what we're working with. Okay, so I'll expand this a bit. All right, so that it fits the page. All right, there it is. Okay, so that's our final image. It looks good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below, let me know what you think, and do remember to subscribe to the channel. Cheers, and catch you on the next one.